Hello. Good day. Today I will be discussing about markup. What comes in your mind when you hear the word markup in businesses? What do you think is the significance of markup in businesses? A business company tries to sell its products at a profit. This means that it must set its selling price at a point high enough to ensure a net gain on sales. To determine the selling price, the business marks up the price on the products. They may also mark down the prices in order to reduce inventory or to attract customers. Markdown will be discussed in the next video. Thus today, we'll study the various methods used to mark. A markup is the difference between the selling price of an item and its cost. Its formula is M sub U equals S sub P minus C, where M sub U is markup, S sub P selling price, and C is cost. Markup is also equal to the sum of the expenses or overhead, and profit. Take note, a selling price governs buying and selling. It is the price at which the commodity is sold per unit. Its formula is S sub P is equal to C plus E plus P, where S sub P is the selling price, C is the cost, E for expenses, and P for profit. Let us have the unlocking of words. First is the cost price. Cost price is the price that the company or store has to pay for the goods it is going to sell, the price that has to be spent to produce goods or services before any profit is added. This is usually computed in a per unit basis. Operating cost is the price which is, per unit, incurred relative to the production and sale of a commodity. Profit is money earned after the cost price and the operating costs are accounted for after the sale of commodity. Let us have examples of markup in businesses. Number 1. The store has bought fans for resale. A fan costs 420 pesos and sells for 560 pesos and 50 centavos, while the overhead is 24% of cost. Determine the following. A. The markup. B. The operating expenses, or overhead, and C. The profit. Solution. Step 1. Identify the given information and what are asked in the problem. Our selling price is 560 pesos and 5 centavos. Cost is 420. E is 24% of cost, which is also equal to 0.24 C. Markup is unknown. Expenses is unknown. And profit is also unknown. Step 2. Substitute the given values in the formula and solve for the unknown. A. The markup is computed as follows. M sub U is equal to S sub P minus C. We have 560 pesos and 50 centavos minus 420 pesos. Thus, the markup is 140 pesos and 50 centavos. For B. The overhead or expenses is obtained as follows. E is equal to 0.24 C. By substitution, we have 0.24 times 420 pesos. Thus, the overhead is P 100 pesos and 80 centavos. For C. The profit is obtained as follows. Use the formula mu is equal to E plus P. Thus, we can see that the profit is P 39 pesos and 70 centavos. Read and analyze the second problem. Let us have solving markup based on cost. When markup is computed based on selling price, it is called margin. When markup is calculated based on cost, the selling price is obtained by multiplying the cost by the rate of the markup and the result is added to the cost of the item. The formula is M sub U is equal to the rate of markup times cost. Please read the example problem, then try to answer using the given formula. Here is the solution. For the next video we will also try how to solve markup based on selling price. Please watch markup part 2.